Now we have to see here. You have to see here that how many possible inputs can be there. You can see here that one input is going over here in 10 number state, and one input is going over here in 11 number state, having value 0/10, 1/01. You can see it over here, 0/10 and 1/01. Right? So if you are going to see here that my receiver has received 1 1. Right? My receiver has received 1 1. But if I am going to provide 0 as an input, so my output would be 1 0. Right? So how many bits are different? 1 bit different is there. 1 bit Hamming distance is there. Now Hamming distance also calculate previously Hamming errors, right? So here there is no error. So if I am going to use this approach, use this path, so one Hamming distance would be there. But what if I choose this path, 0 1? Right? My receiver has received second value as a 1 1, and here my user can choose 0 1. So 1 bit difference is there. What if previous Hamming distance, that is 0, so 1 Hamming distance would be there, meaning is 1 bit error is there in this second state. Second value you have retrieved is having 1 bit error, that it highlights, right? Okay, so after calculating this, you are either on this state or either on this state, right? Now we have to see what about third value, right? So I have to go with this approach as well as with this approach. So 4 possible options would be there. You can see here, if I am in this state, 0 1 number state, so I can either go to here or I can either go to here in 0 0 number state, right? We are knowing that for if 1 0 number state is getting connected over here, right? If from 1 0 number state, it is easy to understand, that's why I pick it up, right? From this image you can see if I am in 1 0 number state, if I am in 1 0 number state, and if I consider 0 as an input, if I consider 0 as an input, so I will be reached to 0 0 number state. What should I write over here? 0/1 1, right? And if I am having input 1, then 1-0 0 is there. You can see it over here, 1-0 0, right? And what about this 1 1? If it is 1, right, so it will go over here. If it is 1, because 11 is calling itself, 1 1 is calling itself, having value 1-10, right? And if it is 0, then it will go over here, having value 0/01, right? Say if I use this approach, so you can see here that 1 1, right, is the output received by me, and 1 1 is the output received by the receiver. So no Hamming distance is there, right? So previously Hamming distance is there, so it would be having value 1, right? If you are going to see here, if you are going to check for this approach, so at that point in time, if 2 Hamming distance is there and second value is also 1 1, but here my user is sending 0 0 as an output, no? You can see it over here. If 0 is an input, 0 0 is an output. So for all approaches, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, right? So if I compare it over here, so my receiver has received 1 1 and I have received 0 0. So 2 Hamming distance is there and previous Hamming distance is also 2. So here 4 Hamming distance would be there. If I check it over here, so third value is 0 0 and I also feed it 0 0, so 4 Hamming distance would be there, because 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. And if you are going to see here, 2 Hamming distance are there, one is 4 and one is 1. So I'll discard this and I'll check this, I'll consider this. Why? Because these are two paths, this is path number 1 and this is path number 2. So we have chosen this path having least Hamming distance, and that is 1, so we'll consider it, right? Okay, then after, likewise we have to calculate it over here, right? But let us finish it first of all. So 3 steps are over, 1 1 1 1 and this 1 1. So 3 steps are over. We can see 1 1 1 1 0 0, right? 3 steps are over. Now we have to think about this 1 0. So you are supposed to check it over here. I can follow this approach or I can follow this approach, right? If I am going to follow this approach, so definitely 0/0 0 would be there. My receiver has received 1 0 and 0 0 over here. So one distance is there, one Hamming distance is there, and previous error is 1. So 2 Hamming distance would be there, right? You are supposed to add it over here. if I am going to use this approach, so it is 1/1 1, right? 1 is the output which you have received, and actually you have received 1 Hamming distance is 1, so 1 plus 1 would be 2 Hamming distance would be there for this approach, right? Likewise we have to go with this, right? If I am using, this is step number 1, or output number 1, output number 2, and output number 3. What if output number 3? In output number 3 my receiver has received 0 again I have received 0, so no error is there, so having Hamming distance value 1, right? And you have to check it over here also, that for this case Hamming distance is 1 and my receiver has received 1, and here my receiver has received, you can see a step output number 1, output number 2, and this is output number 3. Output number 3 0 1 is varying with 0 having Hamming distance 1, and previous Hamming distance is 1, so 2 Hamming distance would be there at this point. We are supposed to check it over here, right? 1 0, right? Output number 1, output number 2, and output number 3. Output number 3 is 0 what we have received 1 what is the distance 1, what is previous distance 1, so it would be having value 2. Clear? Now we have to check it over here also for all other executions, right? So I am going to check it over here. The first number step is over. Now we have to see it over here, right? For this it is in link with this, right? If it is 0, then we are connecting this to 0/1 and if it is 1, then we are connecting it with this 1/01. So let us calculate their Hamming distance first of all, right? So again output number 1, output number 2, output number 3, and now output number 4. Output number 4 having Hamming distance 0, you can see 1 0 1 0, 0 Hamming distance is there, so previous Hamming distance is 1, so I put it 1 over here. 0 1 1 0, 2 Hamming distance, 2 plus 1 3 Hamming distance is there, right? Now likewise we have to consider this also, this node is directly been connected to this as well as this 0 number state. If it is 0 then 0/1 1 you have to consider, and if it is this, so you have to consider 1/0, right? So if you are going to see here 0 1 0 having Hamming distance 1 plus 2 3 is max value, don't consider it, don't consider 3 because 2 is the least Hamming distance which we do have. If you are going to see this 1 1 1 0 1 Hamming distance, right? Previous is 2 3, don't consider 3 Hamming distance, right? Now likewise we have to see this last step. Last, if you are going to connect it with this, right, so it will be having value 1-1 and if it is 0 then 0-1. If you are going to see it over here 1-1 right, so 1 0 1 0 no Hamming distance, previous Hamming distance 2, discard this 3 having least Hamming distance which is 2, right? Likewise we are going to see here 0-01 0 1 1 0 2 Hamming distance, previous is 2 4, don't consider 1 only. So if you are going to see here, this is the path which we are supposed to follow. Why? Because it says 0 Hamming distance, 1 Hamming distance, 1 Hamming distance, 1 Hamming distance. If you are going to see other approaches, so for example here to 1 and 2, so error is increasing, here it is not increasing, it is the least error, so we are supposed to follow this path. What this path says, what we have retrieved actually, right? So from here we can say that when whatever your receiver has received 1 1 is been retrieved when the input is 1, right? So you will be in this state. Then after your receiver has received 1 1 again, right, it is not having any error. So when your receiver has received 1 1, so there 1 1 does not exist, but actually it exists what, 1 0 exists what, 1 0. Hamming error is there, yes, kitli है 1 right? So you can see here 1 1 bits are same, 0 1 bits are not same, bits are not same, so it should be 1 0, it cannot be 1 1, right? Then after we are going to check for 0 0, Hamming distance is there but it's not of its own, it's a previous Hamming distance, so for input 1, right? Then after you will be here and you will be reaching it over here 1 0 you have received, for input 0, and if you are going to see here for 1 0 input is 0, So here you have received the actual message. Here also you have considered k11 cannot be there because hemming distance is 1, meaning is 1 bit got flipped. Out of 1 2 bits are there, 1 bit got flipped, and then one flipped bit is actually giving an output 1 0. So if you compare 1 1 with 1 0, the second bit got flipped, right? So it is not 1 1, it is actually 1 0. So what they are wanted to send is 0. So sender wants to send this message. So likewise it corrects, detect also, it detects error as well as it corrects also. Hope you are not having any doubt.